Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the tail light bulbs, you need to open the car trunk and take out the headlight housing. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew both screws holding the light. Pull directly on the light. Remember to do this horizontally, in line with the car. To replace the bulbs on the indicators, take the bulb base and make a turn anti-clockwise. Then remove the bulb. Push and unscrew a quarter turn. Take the new bulb. Put the new bulb in the base, then insert the assembly into the lamp and rotate it a quarter turn to the right. To change the brake light bulb and the reversing light bulb, do the same as with the indicator light bulb. Put the light back in its housing. The light is held in place by plastic studs encased directly in the car body. Then screw the two retaining screws back in. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.